Hi, I'm Johnny V. You're probably wondering why I'm holding a thermometer in a toilet that's filled with ice water. But today, I'm not here to talk to you about plumbing. I'm here to talk about the John. Oh no, not me. Lou. No, not the toilet. Lou Gehrig. Now, many of you are familiar with the ALS Ice Bucket Challenge. As we all know, ice water, it can cause some, well, let's just say inadequacies. Now, I'm not looking to nominate anyone in specific. If you watch this video, I want you to either share it or donate. What's this? Donate, come on, donate for the cause.